Just thought I'd share these with you.
Something a little different here, folks. Model cars. Something I've collected for quite a number of years now. These are all the James Bond related ones over this side. I used to have them out on display when I was younger, but always in the boxes. This is the first one I remember getting. It's dated 1983. It's a 1961 E-Type convertible Jaguar. Then over the years I've just picked up various other ones. I've not bought any in about 20 years, to be honest. This is my favourite. Bugatti Blue EB110. Glorious car. Here's a Porsche 911. 911 convertible. Another one of my favourites here. F50 hardtop. F50 Spider. I think this is my only American one. The Big Viper. And there's another Porsche. Hardtop. Up here, this is a weird one. This is one my mum and dad actually brought me back from Tenerife, I think. And it's probably the most expensive at the minute. I was watching one on eBay there, maybe a month or so ago. £350. So there's no way mum and dad paid that for it. And it's a little bit bashed, the box here. But beautiful AC Schnitzer S3. Actually had a BMW 330i AC Schnitzer when I got this. So I think that's how my dad got it. It wasn't as cool as this, to be honest. Another one of my old favourites here. Stunning car. Seen a couple of these this year at car shows. One of my oldest toys. Still in its box. Although the side flaps vanished. This has been played with over the years, but I did always put it back in the box after playing with it. So hence I've still got it. About 35 years on. I'm sure it was 1984. Maybe Transformers came out. Let's just double check. 1984. Optimus Prime. Over to the Bond collection now. None of these are worth a great deal. I can actually remember what one I got first. In fact, Ferrari 355 from Goldeneye. I bought that around 1996 or something, a year after the film was out. And I've picked these up over the years. The big 1/18 scale ones. Particularly cool. Orange Lotus Esprit. The Jaguar XKR Roadster from Die Another Day, and the V12 Vanquish Aston Martin, also from Die Another Day. These ones here come with a little figure. It's Jaws that's with that one. I've got Odd Job with this one. And is that Blofeld maybe? with this one. Also got this Johnny Lightning little diorama scene from Goldfinger. Down here there's a little official BMW one. It's a little plastic like viewing case, display case with 3 cars in it. The BMW Z3, the BMW 750iL and the BMW Z8. And it's a bigger Z8 with a diorama. Around the World Is Not Enough as well. So I'm going to stick all these back in the boxes, folks. And up to the loft they go. It's nice to see them out right enough. I've not seen them in quite a few years now. So, pretty cool. Just thought I'd share them with you. Take it easy. Cheers.